Welcome to BeGraph's third beginner tutorial video. In this video, we are going to run some network science metrics on our social network example. BeGraph offers a number of network metrics with diverse purposes and criteria. In the user guide, you can find a description of each metric with links to network documentation for a detailed description. We're going to calculate two centrality measures called degree and eigenvector centrality that find the most important nodes. Then, we'll divide the network into communities using the well-known Louvain algorithm by Vincent Blondel et al. Let's start with the degree centrality. The degree of a node is simply its number of neighbors and is the most basic centrality measure in networks. To calculate it, we open the metrics panel and click on degree. It has a single configuration option, but we're going to leave it blank because we don't have a link property that acts as a weight. When we press the start button, we see that it runs very fast. We'll also get some info messages. Let's move on to the eigenvector centrality metric, which is more complex. It is related to the eigenvector of the adjacency matrix with the largest eigenvalue. It identifies high-degree nodes that are connected to other high-degree nodes, and ranks the nodes with global criteria, not locally like the degree centrality. As inputs, it accepts the link weight property that we're not going to use right now and the number of iterations. For this network, we already know that 100 iterations is enough to achieve numerical convergence. It takes around 20 seconds to finish. And done! Last but not least, let's run the Louvain communities detection algorithm. In this case, we use default parameters and press start. It can also take a while, so we're going to speed up the video. Once it is done, each node is assigned to a community according to a new property called Louvain community. We can see all those property values going to visual styling, then node tags, and selecting the properties we like to see. Now, in the visualizer, just select the nodes to view the properties. Let's see. We can select more than one node by clicking on them while pressing Shift. And we now can see their new properties. Obviously, everything will be much clearer using colors and visual tools to represent this information. This is the topic of the next video tutorial. Don't forget to check it out. Thanks for watching.